Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a background rotation effect in After Effects. First of all, let's duplicate the clip and rename it to Car Only. Now grab a roto brush tool and double click on Car Only layer. Make sure to rotoscope the car as smooth as possible. Once you are done, click on Freeze button. As the freezing is done, we can close rotoscoping window and go back to our main composition. Since we have an isolated car layer, we can begin making background rotation effect. But before that, under a roto brush tool, let's bump up feather to 10. This will smoothen the edges of the car. Now let's select bottom clip and apply an offset effect on it. Make sure you are at the beginning of your layer and then click on Shift Center stopwatch icon. Now scroll to the end of that layer and let's change offset to the right or left. Once it's enough for you, make sure to line up the image like this. Let's quickly check it. We are almost done. Scroll to the very beginning of your layer and let's add directional blur now. Change direction to 90 degrees, then click on blur length stopwatch icon and scroll to the middle. Change blur length to 200. Now scroll to the end and then change blur length back to 0. Finally, let's add a CC lens effect. Change size to around 160 and then let's check the effect. Background rotation effect is ready. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.